Today we're looking at conversations in the classroom. It's a read-along dialogue. I'll read it and then maybe you can share with a partner to read the dialogue with someone else. So I'm going to read it today just to show you what it looks like. The bell is heard for the children to line up in the yard. Nice and quietly, please, says the teacher. Bye-bye, see you later, all the parents shout. Have a nice day, be good. The children come into the classroom. Come in and sit down, says the teacher. Oh, can I sit with you? One student says. Sure, what's your name? Says the other student. My name is Peter. What's yours? My name is Anne. It's gonna be fun. So Peter and Anne have met each other their first day at school. Study time. What are we learning today? Peter asks. We are learning about numbers, says the teacher. I like numbers, says Anne. Open your books and turn to page 3, please, the teacher says. When you don't understand something, so you could talk to your partner, you can pass notes you don't understand. Is everybody ready to begin the next part of the lesson? Yes, Mum. Repeat after me. 2 plus 2 equals 4. I'm sorry, Mum. Can you repeat that, please? 2 plus 2 equals 4. And the students would say 2 plus 2 equals 4. The teacher repeats the instruction and then the children begin their work. Can everyone listen, please? Students, stop their work. You have 5 more minutes to complete your task. So the students have to stop so they can listen, and then the teacher says they can have 5 more minutes to complete what they're doing. I finished, Mum, Peter says. Then read your book, Peter. So there's Peter. He's now going to read his book. Coming to the end of a class. Teacher, has everyone finished their work? Yes, Mum. Close your books and line up at the door, ready for playtime. Anne, can I collect the books for you, Mum? Yes, thank you, Anne. That would be helpful. It's playtime. That was a great math class. Yes, I liked it a lot, says Peter. School is great, right, says Anne. Yeah, it's not too bad, says Peter. I hope you enjoyed this story today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you really enjoyed it, and watch out for more videos like this next time. Thanks for watching today. Bye bye for now.